All right, your friend is done with the show. It was a big success. Now we're going to do a concert. Tickets are $10 and the room rental's $50. Making posters costs $40. Help your friend figure out how she's going to make money or lose money. Okay, now use let statements to define constants to solve the problem. So here we've already got a number of tickets. Okay, so let's define these others. We'll go ahead and press return, and we're going to say let ticket price equals what, 10. The next one, let room rental fee equals 1,000. Let poster cost equals, what was that, 40. Now we're going to make this a little easier. We're going to say let total ticket sales equals number of tickets, and I'm just pressing tab, times, using the star or asterisk to create the times, and then the number of tickets is the ticket price. So notice how we have the number of tickets times the ticket price, the total ticket value. Up here we have 1,500. Down here we also have 1,500. Very good. But see, you know exactly what that is. So let's do the same thing for the total expenses, and we're going to say let total expenses equal the room rental fee plus the poster cost. And notice how that adds up, same thing. And finally, we want the total income. So we're going to say let total income equals, and we're going to do the same thing up here, parentheses. We're going to say, no, actually we don't even need parentheses, because notice up here, because they were using numbers, they had to add, they didn't have a reference to these totals. So they've entered the numbers again, so you basically duplicated it. Whereas here, all I have to do is say total ticket sales minus total expenses. Now check it out. See, 460. Now I know exactly what I got. Awesome. Good job. Let's look at the next one. Exercise, lottery tickets. Okay, well, how we're going to do a lottery. The other reason we want to name things is that a value is useful. It lets you decide the correct way of calculating it, and then you can change the values and you can check your answers. So, you've done enough work for free. Yep, that's right, buddy. He's going to give you a cut of the profits. Says your friend will give you 1/10 of the profits. The jackpot is half of the ticket sales. Try changing the numbers above, minus tickets sold, ticket price, printing or advertising costs. See if you can get your cut up to $100 or more. Calculations below are fixed, but you can change the results by changing the numbers above. Boy, I thought I was done with math. All right. So, let's figure it out. So what we have to do then is the jackpot is half the total ticket sales. So the total tickets sold, if we, let's see, total taking jackpot expense profit. Programmer's cut, profit divided by 10. This is the answer you want to get over 100. Okay. Well, if we raise the ticket price to $2, that gives us $93. Ooh, that's close. So what if we, let's change the printing costs. Let's do less advertising. Let's just say we did $35 in advertising. Oh, that didn't change it enough at all, did it? Let's go back. We obviously need to sell more tickets. Let's go for 10,000 tickets. Come on, buddy. Let's make some money here. Ha ha ha. See, I made it. 993 bucks. Of course, he also made 9,000. Wow, that's pretty good. Maybe I should do a lottery instead. All right, let's check this out. So here we're going to figure out the answer. How much stuff can I fit on my iPhone? Okay, we don't have any code. We're going to have to figure it out. iPhone storage capacity is measured in gigabytes. The iPhone has 8 gigabytes of storage. A gigabyte is about 1,000 megabytes. The phone already has 3 gigabytes of stuff on it. 1 minute of video takes 150 megabytes of storage. How many minutes will it take to fill the phone? Hint, do all your calculations in megabytes. All right, let's start out with some values here. We want to say let total storage equals 8 times 1, 2, 3. 8 times 1,000. Okay, so that represents the total storage. Now, we want to know it already has 3 gigabytes, so let what we're going to call that used, or let's see, used storage space equals 3 times 1,000. So this is how many megabytes are currently used. So available, so we're going to say let available space equals total storage minus used storage. So that's the total, 5,000 megabytes. Okay, now 1 minute, so let's say let 1 minute video space equals 150. So how many videos can we fit? Well, we know the available space, so we're going to say let number of videos available equals the available space divided by 1 minute of video, and that equals 33. You could do 33 videos. Awesome. See how that worked? All right, there's a lot to get done before you leave. Let's figure it out. Create a constant for each activity you do in the morning before leaving. Things like brush teeth, upload photos, choose clothes, shower, go jogging, finish homework, fix lunch, and so on. Think about how many minutes each activity usually takes and assign that value to each constant. Okay, well, let's assume that I brush my teeth. Of course I brush my teeth in the morning. Of course. All right, choose clothes. Well, I have a lot of clothes to go through. So that usually takes me about 1.2 minutes. Okay, next we want to shower. Yeah, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe. Finish homework. I did that last night. I don't need to do that. Go jogging. Yeah, right. Okay, how about exercise? We're going to exercise for 30 minutes. Okay, I think I'm ready. Okay, find the total time of all the activities by adding up the constants. Try to adjust the values or add more till the time looks reasonably close. The actual time you spend getting ready on an average day. So let getting ready time equals brush teeth plus choose clothes plus shower plus exercise What does that equal? Getting ready time. Oh, I don't think it liked my 1.2. Let's change that to a whole number. There we go. That was better. It didn't like my 1.2. We'll talk about decimals in another video. But anyway, 39 minutes to get ready? I don't know. Well, you know how to do it. You can figure it out, see how it works. Oh, look, another constant. This time in separate groups, one for things you have to do, things you like to do. If there are things you don't have to do and don't like to do, make a third group and go ahead and sum that one too. Make a constant for each group. Awesome. I want to do that. So I want to say let have to do's equals I have to choose my clothes. I really have to shower. Really have to shower. Let should do's is going to be exercise and brush teeth. Yeah, well, we brush our teeth a lot, don't we? So see what happens. You can change all the different durations. Awesome. All right, here's the last exercise. Oh, good. We've got some code from another programmer. They didn't take this course, so they don't know. It says, truck loading guide. Pallets of oranges weigh 100 pounds. Pallets of watermelon weighs 200 pounds. Have to load up the left, then right of the truck and keep it balanced. How many on each side? Melons always go together. Oh, boy. What are these? What are these? COCW, OW, WW, TO, TW, TTL, ES, LHSO. Oh boy. It happens. You find yourself having to use somebody else's code and build on it. Let's figure this out. Pallet of oranges weighs 100. Okay, so oranges weight. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and change this code in line. So oranges weight. And then we got to change it here. Oranges weight. And right here. Oranges weight. Okay. We got that figured out. This must be watermelon weight. Watermelon weight. And watermelon weight. And that's all that I can see. I'm guessing this is count. So I'm going to call this number of oranges, number of watermelons. So now this is number of oranges. I'm just pressing tab to do that, and then number of, and I'm going to arrow down, watermelons. Number of oranges. Does that work? Are we still up to date? Okay, what else do we have left? TO, total oranges, total watermelon. So we know this is weight, number of oranges times the number oranges weight. So let's call this total orange weight. And call this total watermelon weight. Okay, so that was total orange weight. And this one is total watermelon weight. Okay. TTL. Good grief. What is TTL? What do we think that means? Total total weight, I guess. Total weight. I'm just going to call that total weight. Total weight. ES. What is that? ES. Each side? Oh, each side. Each side. Get it? Each side. What should we call that? Let's call that truck side weight. No. Weight for what weight of half, what should we call that? Half the total weight per side. Half total weight per side. Does that, I guess that makes sense. I mean, you kind of get an idea. Half total weight per side. It's a little long. It is a little long. Left hand side. Left hand side weight. Left hand side. Wow, what is that? It's left hand side oranges. Oranges, I guess. And this is right hand side oranges. Oh, yes, this tells us how many oranges go on each side. That's right. Okay, very good. Well, hopefully you can see how that worked, and hopefully this is something that you'll do so that you'll have a better chance of doing this. You'll know exactly what this means. All right, very good. Catch you on the other side.